Okay, Rosie, what are we going to cook this week? Gnocchi with a cheese sauce. Oh, that sounds pretty good. What's that? It's Gouda Brie good. Is the dog doing puns now? I can bear them. Anyway, let's go for it. Gnocchi with some cheese sauce. Can you guess which hand has got the dog treat in it? Good girl. This recipe is illegally simple. Okay, so we're going to get 4 tablespoons of Gorgonzola to start off with. We're going to put them in this pan right here. Okay, and the next thing we're going to do is put 1 tablespoon of creme fraiche in there as well. And now we're going to gently heat that up and it will turn into a nice sauce. All right, so I've got the fonduta cooking away there. Now, I'm going to fry my gnocchi, and I'm telling you, once you've fried gnocchi, you ain't going to go back to boiling it. All right, so I've got some butter and some olive oil in there, and I'm going to fry this for about 2 minutes until they get nice and golden brown. Do stir this gently, because if you do have any bits of blue vein in it, if you stir it quickly, it's going to turn the sauce green, and it might taste good, but it ain't going to look good. This is the surprise pint. This is the surprise wine pairing of the year. I am going to suggest, and I have to put my glasses on because I can't remember what this is called, the Gruner Veltliner, which is Austrian. Shout out to the peeps in the DAC region. Okay, so we're going to plate this up. We're going to put the sauce on the plate. And then we're just going to put a bit of basil on top of that as well.
If you like this video, why don't you subscribe?